I posted 200 times on Instagram.
200!
I grew my custom embroidery business through every single post, reel, story, DM. But now, after all that time and effort, I am done. I'm leaving Instagram to focus on YouTube. Now, it might sound crazy, but let me explain why. My name's Justin Chong, but friends and family call me Juice Juice, and I work as a full-time graduate architect in the day, and I run a custom embroidery business out of my apartment at night. After building my brand on Instagram and sharing my embroidery creations and my journey, I realized there was still something missing out of all of it. Now, this wasn't an easy decision, but it's one I'm really excited about. So, if you've ever thought about switching platforms, or you're a creator, business owner, or someone who's just struggling to grow on Instagram, stick around because this video is for you. Now, let's start with my Instagram journey. For the past 2 years, since 2022, I've been posting consistently, 200 plus times as a matter of fact, building my custom embroidery business from the ground up. I poured my heart into every post, showcasing my custom design with my clients, engaging with everyone that commented, and sharing behind the scenes of my creative process. Now, without a background in marketing, or even knowing how Instagram operated, I still put in the work, and my embroidery pieces were starting to get noticed. Over time, I slowly got more likes, more comments, and even DMs from potential customers. It felt great to have all of this engagement, but it reached a point where I realized that despite all of my efforts, Instagram wasn't really the platform for the type of content I wanted to create or the growth that I was aiming for. I was creating just to keep up with the algorithm and maintain visibility, rather than sharing meaningful content about my business, my process, and my passion. So, why quit Instagram after investing so much time into it? I think it all comes down to what I wanted to create. My custom embroidery business isn't just about making and selling products. It's about storytelling, and I feel like YouTube is the best platform for it. There's so much more to embroidery than just a single quick post can capture. For me personally, Instagram felt too fast-paced, with a strong focus on aesthetics, and I personally just wanted to dive deeper into my craft. Things like showing the hours of work that goes into each piece, the design process, and in the meantime educating others on how they can create their own embroidered pieces. Also, I just want to put this out there. I absolutely despise the Instagram algorithm. The pressure to post every single day, to keep up with trends, to do the silly dances, to fight against the ever-changing visibility rules, meant that my embroidery posts would often disappear in the noise. After spending hours on a post, it would get buried within a day, or even a few hours. Heck, most of the times, even my own friends that follow the account don't even see the post. What are you doing, Instagram? What are you doing? Just to clarify for this video, I'm not looking to gain sympathy, I'm not looking to gain a billion likes, I'm not looking to gain a million followers. That would be nice. I just wanted to come on this platform to create freely and share content that I am proud of sharing to the world without feeling the need to please a robot. I knew that I had to shift my focus. So that's where YouTube comes in. Even though I've only been posting here for less than a month, I'm already feeling a huge difference and I am in love with it. Whoa. YouTube allows for me to just go beyond the surface level. It's a place where I can show more than just the final product. I can also share the whole creative journey, my thought processes, but also my personality to you. For example, I have so many ideas for future videos. I could create detailed tutorials to teach anyone who wants to learn about custom embroidery. I could talk about my journey about starting a business whilst working a full-time job. You know, I could even do long hour streams where I just put the camera on the side and I film myself embroidering while engaging with you guys. Just a thought. Do let me know in the comments below of what other future videos you would like me to see. Do let me know in the comments below about what other future videos you would like to see me create for you. I appreciate everyone's feedback and I'm keen to hear from you. In summary, YouTube just gives me the freedom to share whatever I want to my capacity, and I just feel like I'm in control. Other than that, YouTube is also search-based, meaning people can find my content not just on the day that I posted, but for months or even years later. This also just means that I'm able to build a library of content that continues to provide value long after I've uploaded it. I've also heard from a lot of other YouTubers that YouTube tends to recommend videos from creators disregarding the number of subscribers that they have to all of their viewers, as long as the title or the algorithm thinks that the content is resonating with the viewer. And I appreciate this from YouTube a lot because it gives us super small creators a chance to be seen by the world too. With all that's fine and dandy being said, I'm not gonna lie to you, I know that this transition is not gonna be easy. In fact, it might be even harder to be trying to be seen on Instagram, because in some ways, I'm starting from ground zero. I don't really know many friends that actually watch YouTube nowadays, but I know there's all of you that's watching right now, so help a brother out. Like and subscribe. From watching a lot of creators talk about their journey when they started YouTube, I knew that moving from Instagram to this platform is a whole new challenge with multiple obstacles to overcome. I've understood that since day one, this was not going to be a get famous quick scheme, that I needed to put the work in and be posting videos consistently, which I'm trying to do. It's not just about beautiful photos anymore. On YouTube, I would need to create longer videos, improve my filming and editing skills, and learn to engage with my audience in a new way, breaking the barrier of being camera shy, and face this fear like a boss. This is a new opportunity for me to showcase not just my custom embroidery business, but also who I am, Justin Chong, to all of you. And whilst I'm really excited to share more detailed tutorials, how I built my custom embroidery business from scratch, link in the description. Oh my god, I can say that now because I made more than one video. Or just someone in the background talking to them while they're doing their own stuff. I hope I can be that guy for you. So, what's next? My focus now is to create meaningful, in-depth content for YouTube. For you, too. I want to create a space here where we can grow and connect together. Instagram will still play a role in my business for quick updates, showing what I am working on in the current time, and connecting with customers. But the real content? The stuff that tells you the story behind my thought process, my breakdowns when a needle breaks, again, that will all live here on YouTube. If you've made it this far, thank you. If you're a creator or a small business owner trying to figure out which platform is right for you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions that you might have. Maybe you have grown very successful on Instagram. Let me know how you've done it so that I can learn from you. Please, I've been trying to figure out and I can't figure it out why. And if you want to follow along as I grow this little passion project into something that's much greater here on YouTube, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn notifications on so you never miss another video. I'm gonna end this video on this thought. Instagram helped me start my journey, but YouTube is where I feel like I'm gonna build something lasting. Let's get creating together. See you in the next video.